Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to run X ads using your laptop or your desktop computer. So we're going to send traffic to our website. Okay, so you want to measure web events. I'm going to show you how to set up your first X ads that sends traffic to your website. So let's jump right straight in.
So we'll visit x.com. So there are different ways in order for you to launch your Twitter ads. So after visiting x.com, make sure you're already signed in on your account. Next, you click on these three dots here, which is the more. You click on it. Then you click on ads. Okay, another way to make it to this point is to click on a new tab and visit business.twitter.com or business.x.com. Then you click on enter. Okay, so you click on get. Next, you click on added. So you see, these are all the ways you could use to run your Twitter ads or X ads. Okay, so you can see it's the same thing with this one here. Okay, so you choose. So these are the campaign objectives available on Twitter. We have reach maximum number of persons that could see your ad. So maximize your ads reach. Video views, get people to watch your videos, more video views. Pre-roll views, so pair your ad with premium content. Then app install, get people to install your app. Website traffic, drive traffic to your website. Then app re-engagement, get people to take action in your app, more like an in-app event or in-app objective. Sales, get people to visit and make a purchase on your website. Then keywords, okay, research users with high intent, okay, based on keywords. All right, so we're going to focus more on sales. Let's do this one. Yeah, this is more difficult compared to the basic driving traffic. So we click on sales. Then we click on next. Okay, so we're going to give it objective. We're going to give it a name. Okay, so you could also edit this if you want to change your objective here. So you click on edit. Okay, so let's give it a name. We're going to say Bright. So you can see we already have our card attached to it already. You might want to check out the advanced settings also if you want. Okay, so let's switch to the advanced settings. Okay, so this is what the advanced looks like. The advanced simply gives you more control over what you're doing. Okay, you might want to turn on campaign budget optimization if you want. Okay, this is advanced also. So this is optional. We could leave this. Let's just move forward. Then we'll click on next. So this is the ad group. Okay, so this is the ad group. We're going to call it advertise. It's great, GW. Dynamic products. So you could also try out new features if you want. So daily budget, let's just start with a small budget. Okay, let's just say $4. So you could go for run ads indefinitely until you get the results you're looking for. Or you could turn this off and input an end date. That is depending on what you want. So you could see the estimate here, not more than $28 per week. So we are going for web conversion. Like I said, Okay, so now one of the reasons why we've already set up our web event, we made a separate video for that. So we're going to add the link to that video that will teach you how to set up basic events on your website using Tag Manager, Google Tag Manager. Or you could also consider using the Xpixel, which you paste those codes on your website to track events and to also track landing page views. So we're going to add the link to that video in the description section. Don't forget to like this video to help other persons find this content, and also subscribe for more exclusive business tips and success strategies on this channel. Okay, so select the event. So you can see order now on media buying. So this is one we actually did set up. So we click on this. That is the conversion event we are going to use. So the order now page is simply, I'm going to show you. So this is our website. So what it basically does, it tracks anyone who clicks on the order now button. Anyone who clicks on the order now button on this web page. Okay. So that's what it's doing. All right. So let's go back. We've already done the setup. So we're going to add the video link in the description section. So you could, the bid strategy, let's just go with this one. So you could also choose to pay via impression or via link click. So whichever one, let's just go with the recommended impression. So we're going to use the standard delivery, the pacing rather. We're going to use the standard pacing. So no app, we're not running any ad campaign on the app. So we're going to skip that. Okay, these are the placements. Yeah, we're going to leave that. For demographic, any. Then for country, we're targeting Nigeria. So this is the total audience. We might want to do some targeting also. Okay, for the age brackets, would prefer from 25 years upward. Let's change that, please. Yeah, 25 upwards. Okay, that's perfect. We'll scroll down again. For operating system, let's just go with all. Desktop, okay. Let's just go with this ones. Okay, we'll scroll down. You could also decide to target premium users if you want, but we're going to leave that. So if you have any custom audience, you might want to use that, but we're going to leave that for now. So this is where we're going to do the main targeting. So you could target based on keywords. Looking at business. Okay. People who are interested in business. Wow, seems like the whole. Okay, let's see. Business owners. Okay, let's take this one out. Focus on business owner. So interest should be business. Yeah, advertising. The business and finance. Entrepreneurship, very important. Construction. Okay, business travel. It could be our clients. We also tag government if we want. Okay, marketing. Yeah, small business. Technology. Okay, let's just go with this one for now. Okay, so we could talk about ads. Yeah, people talk about Google ads, Facebook ads. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's just focus on these two. Okay, you could also target your followers if you want. So let's just click on this. So you could also leave this on. Allow X to reach people beyond your target audience when their potential to achieve better performance. This feature is always on for X Premium users. So we're going to leave that on. Then we'll click on next. So the next one is the ad itself. So we're going to just call it creative products category. Let's see what media is saying. So we're going to select advertising and marketing. So you could select media or you could do collection. Okay, let's just go with the media. Okay, so you could also use ChatGPT to quickly draft out, generate an ad copy and ad copy telling customers to run ads with us to grow their business online. This is one simple way you could just develop. Okay, so we're going to copy this one. Let's just copy everything. I'm going to edit it on X. Okay, so paste that. Whether you're a small business entrepreneur or a company, we have the perfect ad solution for you. Get in touch with us today. So we could use this. So let's grow your business with powerful online ads, struggling to get more customers. So we're just going to use a single image for now. So click on add media. Then we're going to browse on our PC. So you can see the preview here, right? Okay. So we're going to select one of these flyers. Okay. So we're going to use this one. Then we'll click on open. All right. So we are good to go. So we're just going to use that one. Then we confirm. So this is the preview. Okay. We could just say advertise your business online. So for the website, we're going to use this one. This is the URL. So joerightnm.com/media buying. Okay, note promoted. All right, so we are good to go. So this is our ad preview as we know it. So click on next. So this is the preview stage. Joeright Media Buying is a sales ad. Daily ad group budget is $4. Total ad group budget is none. Okay, so we launch this campaign now. Okay, so you notice that this text is too much, so we have to reduce this. Okay. Okay, so grow your business with powerful online ads. Struggling to get more customers? Let us help you reach the right audience, increase sales, and scale your business faster with expertly crafted online ads. Get in touch with us today. Okay, so we'll fix the error message that didn't allow us to launch our ad campaign. Primarily, the ad text, the copy was too long, so we just had to reduce it. So take note of that. Okay, so we click on next. Then we launch this ad campaign. So you can see your ad was created successfully. Also take note, you might be required to subscribe to the X Premium or the X Blue or Twitter Blue. Okay, so these are the different prices. All right, so you can see the ads running.